Okay, this has to be one of my favorite tools so far. It's a pole saw. I know, doesn't sound that exciting to you probably. But after you go through a few automated or battery operated that I have, even the gas powered chain pole saw, you feel relieved to get a new product like this, because with a manual pole saw, you have way more control than with the automated or motor powered chain pole saws. I don't know why I keep saying chainsaw. Anyway, let me open it up and see what's inside here. I'm very excited. Okay, first impressions on the packaging, and that it comes with a kind of a bag, almost like a duffel bag style. I am absolutely impressed. And here on the side we have something, tree pole pruner, or how we call it, pole saw. Let's open it up. Wow. I am actually very excited now to go cut a few limbs that have been kind of a problem for me for a while, because the other saws just don't reach that high. And this one is actually quite high. Oh, look at that. Oh, so these are not metal, but it's that kind of light stuff. I don't know what you call that. Like, is that really tough plastic mix? This is really cool. Look at the threads here. And the female threads in the other side. Okay, I'm in. I'm in. And it comes with gloves. Come on, work gloves. Perfect, thank you. And what do we have here? How to mount it? That should be quite straightforward. It's just like the other manual pole saws. There's really no wrong way to put it together. Just thread and all that. Epoxy resin. That's what I that's what I wanted to say, but you know, this poles are all epoxy resin. Actually very light. It's interesting how they made this one. And we should have the saw here. Yep, the blade itself. Wow. Oh yeah, and it has the cut hooks in both sides to grab if needed. I love that. And it's dual-sided teeth. Not sure if you can see that. Yep, that's dual-sided teeth. Absolutely love it. And it feels really good, actually, the material on it. Another sheath here looks like. Oh, don't tell me this is actually an extra blade that comes with it. So it comes with an extra blade, and you can use it as a handsaw as well. If you don't want to put it on the pole, it has an actual handle right here. Really nice and grippy to cut stuff directly. Aha! And you have the pruners right here, especially for right after winter, that you have to prune and get a little bit of those tiny pieces. You just pull them with this thing. Wow. Okay, I am actually liking this one a lot. Let's see what else we have here. Probably a few more poles. Whoa, don't tell me there's another saw here. Oh, the short saw. But these are with the long teeth. Not sure if you know what I'm talking about. It's the single teeth, but the long ones for kind of thinner stuff. This one does a very thin line versus this other saw. And I'm not sure if you can see here, but those are actually almost the same. But that one, of course, is a little bit thinner. Let's see what else is in the baggie. And here we have the pruner. That's where that metal-looking tiny saw, not this one, but the other one, goes in. Let me just put this down really quick, and I'm going to show you what goes on here. And if you just pull on it, here you have the pruner. So you can extend it as much as you want with the arm, of course. And you pull down on that lace, whatever you want to call that string. And you can cut branches that are quite up high. This is actually really cool and feels really high quality, I gotta say. And let me place the saw on it really quick. There's a fly screw there that you have to take off to put the saw. Let me just take that off really quick. And it just goes, it has those two holes that aligns. One is just a static pin, and the other one is the threaded screw that you put the butterfly screw on it. And boom, now we are ready to rock with it. So we have a pruner that we can pull on, and we have the saw that you can cut with. Absolutely a beauty, actually. And I'm just really surprised by the quality. I'm loving the quality so far of both saws, including the extra one. And you just install the handle. In both of them, either one can be installed just like that. And of course you add as many as you want when you're going to cut with a saw or to prune. And I love the angle that's not either 40 or 90 or whatever. It's at around, I would say, I don't know, 35 degrees, which is just sweet enough. And let me take this out really quick and see what else we got here before we go do some cutting, because really there's nothing else left but here, just to show you that it's the same threads, that you can use either saw you want. Just thread it on, and you can just keep adding those sticks. Those go quite far, and there's a lot of them, so you're not gonna be lacking on that. And this is the lower handle, or the last one you will install, because that's where you grab it with these rubbery and grippy parts here. Really sturdy, by the way. All of this really nice made, and that resin that's made off makes it light and sturdy, so there's no flex almost at all. And that is what's gonna help you actually cut better. And now all is left to go cut something, and we'll see you probably just when I go outside. Okay, this is the handle that we're gonna put on, and oh, I have 4 more if I wanted to add, so, but I think this is just enough for now. So we'll see. I'm gonna cut some dead limbs that are around here and see how that goes, I guess. Okay, that's the limb we're looking at. It's gonna be just a quick one, and just to see how it actually goes and how it works. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it probably somewhere there and just see it. Boom. It is gone just like that. Actually, I can cut more now, because I think I'm just having fun. Okay, let me cut this other one. It seems to be dead too, actually. I'm not gonna cut it to the end, but most of it probably there. This saw is really fast. Look at that. Boom. This is so cool. I'm gonna say, this is one of the best things I probably own now. This one here, and now I put the camera so you guys can see it from the top instead. And it's just so smooth. Boom. Gone just like that. That was easy. Actually, I'm gonna cut another one for fun now. Another rotten one that's there. I'm just having fun at this point. I'm gonna go take care of that one too.